Hi, my name is Stefan and I'm a PhD student at the Center for Interstellar Catalysis at Aarhus University. Within surface science, we want to work with atomically clean and flat surfaces to get the best measurements possible. And the best way to clean at the atomic level is of course with atoms. We use argon ions, which are generated in this gun mounted on our vacuum chamber. Argon gas is pumped into the gun where it is ionized. The surface is then bombarded with the ions, which cleans it by blasting away any molecules. This is known as sputtering. Now, the surface is left in a poor state after the bombardment, so we heat it up to even it out. We say that we anneal the sample. We repeat these processes a few times to ensure that our surfaces are suitable for our experiments.